very fun. You smell the bag, but does it smell like green tea or what's it? Or not? It smells sweet. This way. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, don't forget that the meaning of your mate is really sharing, so we will have to be sharing now.
Gelas kosongnya aja di gelas kosongnya aja dioper-operin. Nanti termosnya tinggal dipindahin, tinggal dipindahin. Di sini.
Is it hot water or yes, this is boiling water. Can I have the thermos? Udah habis.
Oh, tadi masih buat lain.
Can I have that one?
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. Ya, cup. Langsung gue.
Sorry. Thank you.
Okay, if you don't have a cup yet, don't worry. There's one cup coming. Okay, what you can do is once you look, open it and okay, how long should you leave it steep in the water? It depends, okay? So normally 5 minutes should be okay.
Asli pahit kan katanya.
Kenapa?
Asli pahit kan katanya.
Enggak.
Pahit.
Enggak, kalau sedotan kan satu cup itu, satu tempat ini, itu dia bisa diminum beberapa kali. Sedotan pertama sampai ketiga biasanya agak bitter, tapi kalau udah yang ke berikutnya berkurang.
Katanya pahit.
Mostly di tuangan ketiga baru berasa kayak royal ini.
I need one.
Tadi aku beli mate yang di bawah ice mate itu warna
Terere.
warna
Orange.
agak coklat. Iya, teh. Bukan mate.
Mate juga. Terere. Terere namanya.
Beda lagi.
Kalau mate pakai es batu namanya terere.
Oh gitu. Tapi tetap mate ya.
Tetap mate.
Beda warna tapi.
Mungkin beda brand.
Kasih gula kali. Manis soalnya.
Oh ya kalau manis berarti pakai.
Okay, something we like to say in South America, I think you know like you would say like all Latinos are really like romantic. We like to see everything in a romantic way, even things that are not romantic. When we are making tea, we say the taste of tea is proportional to the love you put. You know, sometimes if you make it fast, the taste is not good. If you make it long, so the taste you have some taste of yerba mate. We're waiting for hot water and it's coming.
Berapa sih nilai
Kalau yang itu belinya di luar ya barusan. Kalau yang di Indonesia tuh ada. Dia dari stainless steel gitu.
Aku masih
Oh itu mahal gitu. Ya itu kan yang kayak tadi kan. Itu di sini dijual sejuta lebih. 800-an ke sejuta. Yang kayak gini.
I think a third element
Ini
to
kan dari
consider
Kalbas.
when you're drinking mate.
Oh iya itu.
Mate is not a plant, but it's from a tree. Normally it's less hot water. Okay? We always want, most of the time want it hot, but I try to get hot water so you get a taste that is strong enough.
Cuman nggak pernah
Okay?
nyoba.
If you use this water that's
Kayak
not
udah
too
biar.
hot,
Murni aja.
you won't get a nice taste.
Kamu punyanya Kalabasan juga?
Berarti 3 set.
Sejuta berarti.
Hah?
Kau belinya?
Apa?
Beli sejuta.
Yang
Okay,
dua
so those
oleh-oleh, yang
who
satu
already
beli.
waited for 5 minutes,
Yang tadi beli.
give it a try.
Yang dua oleh-oleh.
Intinya langsung.
First, the one
Ada teman.
Wow, amazing. Masih panas ya? Karena ini
Enggak kok, enggak terlalu panas.
kayak
Maybe we can use this one. How many do you need? Two?
takut pahit eh.
Hmm?
Takut pahit.
Kira-kira
Okay, so now you can try, you can finish the cup if you want. Like just try first, and I want to hear some feedback. What do you think? Does it taste like green tea?
Ntar coba yang tradisional lebih enak lagi.
Yang paling pahit.
Enggak, yang tradisional ya. Yang ntar.
Kamu udah ahli banget.
Ya udah setahun setengah tiap hari.
Okay, I have a question. How many of you can taste like smoky flavor in the yerba mate? Does anyone taste like smoky flavor? You have. Does anyone else taste smoky? Oh yeah, you guys taste smoky?
Apa tesnya?
Smoky.
That's a good. I will explain why.
Apa ya?
Asap.
Kayak ada rasa, iya kayak ada rasa asap.
I'm thankful for today's class because I'm a fragrance enthusiast. But so far, I know, I get to know so many perfume, there's ingredients, for example, like the tea and coffee.
Really?
So that's why I'm so thankful today that I can enjoy.
Oh yeah, thank you for coming. Yeah. So look at this. We have one of our participants is a fragrance expert, and he's
Not
a
expert.
well.
Enthusiast.
Oh yeah, okay. He's in the fragrance industry. Yeah, correct.
Wow.
And dry
Yes, okay.
in an oven, okay, and they use heat to dry the leaves. And sometimes that's the taste that we can say like, oh, this is a little bit of smoky, and we can say that, oh, it's a smoky tea, you know. So many people describe yerba mate as like, oh, it's like smoky and
Mainkan.
that taste. Okay, who's missing hot water?
Nambah lagi air. Tapi kalau dingin nggak bisa ya? Air dingin nggak bisa.
Bisa. Bisa, Ferrero yang namanya mulai ringan. Gak apa-apa, tuang aja. Sebenarnya nggak ada bedanya.
Pengen keluarin rasa gitu sih. Kalau ya kan lebih keluar rasa.
Bedain aja sama air dingin,
Oke.
pasti rasanya beda.
Oke, ajak contoh nih.
Hot water? Careful.
I think it's muy caliente.
Es muy caliente.
Yeah, but it's
saya udah besok cuma 1,5 liter air kalau masih yang masuk ke fase
Kamu suka merek apa? Tarakui atau
Favorit ya, Rosamonte.
Samun?
Rosamonte.
Ada?
Nggak ada di sini.
Nggak ada. Tapi apa kalau ada di sini? Import dari Argentina langsung.
Argentina.
Ini bakal meleleh warnanya. Bakal meleleh warnanya. Bakal keluar warnanya.
Keluar juga.
Walaupun nggak panas ya akhirnya.
Well, actually, I would need that one.
Ini muy caliente, kan?
Muy caliente.
Ini muy caliente.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Normally, this one, that's
Okay.
why mate cocido means cooked mate.
Oh, cook. Nice thing.
Okay, now that's normally what Indonesians want. They want stronger version of mate. So they
Yeah.
want to taste it even more. Okay. So the next one that we express is 100% leaves. Yerba mate leaves. The traditional one, which is 2 bags, normally has 3 components. This one has leaves, it has
Stem.
stems, and also has
Bekas.
the bubuk, what's in it?
Yeah, the powder.
Powder. Okay, so the process of breaking the leaves, the stem, the leaves, and the powder goes here, and this is the one we like for the traditional one. But if you make it in a French press, it's better to use the leaves only.
Kurang sih rasanya.
Cobain ini, yang terakhir cobain yang terakhir lagi.
Okay, this is what I do at home. Okay, so if you are not good at measuring or you don't have time, I do like this. Like kira-kira. Okay, so some of you will get it stronger, some of you will get it not as strong. Imagine, I said, Yamamate is proportional to the time that you have, but sometimes you don't have time to put love, you know, like, oh, I need to go to the office. Okay, just make it fast. Like this, okay. And this is like the tea maker. And we're gonna use the water that we had before. Okay, just like one.
Punya.
French press ada yang belum
Yeah.
pakai French press.
This one,
Tergembung.
you know when just now they were refilling the thermo, I think it broke, it fell.
Emang gitu caranya.
Iya, emang gitu.
I don't know what explain this thing.
Berkali-kali.
Okay, we're gonna try this one and you will see the difference. Okay, so
Begitu
try not
tuang
to
air
use too
lagi,
much to
press
get
lagi.
Menurut kamu ada nggak rasa teh Indonesia?
Enggak,
Nggak ada.
enggak ada sama sekali.
Menurut aku ada ya, hijau.
Beda.
Beda. Kalau ini lebih strong juga nanti rasanya kalau pakai press.
Lebih soft karena cuma daun.
Lah, yang tadi tuh apa ini? Bubuk, tadi bakar ya? Serbuk.
Daun juga ya, cuman dia lebih halus. Kalau yang itu lebih kasar lihat
Oh,
komponen
kasar,
daunnya.
oh ya.
Partikel daunnya lebih kasar.
Tumbuk gitu ya.
Okay, try this.
Sugar.
Wait, you cannot lie to me because in Indonesia, sugar is very important in all the food, you know. Every dish has sugar.
Yes.
Now, tiba-tiba nobody likes sugar.
Oh,
Yeah,
tambah
correct.
nih,
You
pakai
wanna taste out, like, the
Satu
real
tunggu yang lain.
without sugar. Okay, which one is stronger, the first one or the second one? This one? Second one, right? Is it
masih bisa sebenarnya.
It's better than the first one. Okay. Who likes the second version better than the first one? Oh, you don't like the second one, yeah? Also the second one. Yeah.
Udah sih. Oh belum. Refill ini aja ya. Sini.
You guys try the second one or the first one?
Oh,
The second.
thank you.
Which one do you like better? Second one.
Ya nih, cobain dulu. Cobain. Oh, di sini.
Oh. Tapi ini lebih pekat kali sama aja.
Lebih pekat.
Kalau ini yang biasa kalau ini dia nggak ada setengah. Ini fragrance.
Panas ya?
Kalau biasanya smoky kayak apa sih? Yang betis tuh. MSG
Okay, did anyone try the second or not yet?
Not yet.
Yeah?
Ya, jangan panas.
Panas.
Kalau panas makin bitter. Cobain.
Jangan.
Makin panas makin bitter.
Lepon.
Ya, kalau nggak mendidih sih.
Better than the second. First version. Who liked the first one? The second one. Oh, okay. We're on the right path. Okay. If you don't like the second one, probably the third one is going to be a shocking experience. Okay. Then are you ready for this or not? The strong one.
Ready.
Okay. This one. The reason why we love this one is
Nggak panas tuh.
warm water.
70.
Uh,
75 maksimal.
So I here have some room temperature water. Okay. What else do we need? We need a mate. We said this is called mate.
Bisa. Kira-kira suhu maksudnya.
Iya, sudah.
Bisa gitu.
Bisa.
I will distribute one thermo for each table. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think those 2 tables can share one. Okay, so in every table, one hot water.
Si panas kasi.
So this will be your thermal with hot water. Okay, and now I'm going to ask you to come pick up one of this cup and one straw. Only one, okay?
Ano yung bombiya yung kalabasa itu, Mas?
Bukan tuh nggak bisa.
Hah?
Who else needs a straw?
Ya, bukan nih kalabasa ya.
Oh, nggak ada yang kalau bisa ini beling. Itu gelas biasa kayak.
Silikon kan ini?
You have to follow. And the first one is, well, you collect all the materials that you need. You need hot water, you need a cup, you need a straw, and also you will need yerba mate. Okay, so to make it more interesting, I want you to share the mate, the yerba mate, and just you feel your friend is the mobilya.
Nggak boleh ya? Nggak boleh.
Nggak boleh.
Masuk ke dalam ini.
Oh, nggak nanti.
Yes.
Ya, I think I'll get it Tarawih.
Okay, you can actually.
Ntar ya. Coba ya.
Ini dalam ini kaca kan? Gelas biasa.
Yes. After
Oh, ada asapnya. Segini udah, Mas?
Powder. Terus. Tunggu. Ya udah cukup.
you have to take out the mobilya from the cup.
Sudah.
I think for the ones who have already tried mate, maybe if you want to try with the loose leaf. Have you tried mate traditional with loose leaf?
I've tried.
Oh yeah, you like it?
Not really.
Oh yeah. The most expensive yerba mate is the blue leaf, the blue label for yerba mate. It's actually this one.
Oh,
Many people say like, oh, the ones who are already expert yerba mate lovers, like materos, we call them materos.
Materos. Oh.
Materos always say, Ivan, I want the blue label. He said, actually, this is same. The blue label is just leaves. Said, no, I want the blue label. No, this is the Isinia Sama, but this one was created for Asia. Because in China, people drink leaves. They don't drink the powder. They don't drink that. It's considered bad quality. That's why this is the blue label was rebranded, and this is the result. So if you want to prepare mate that tastes slightly more spicy, stronger, this one. Leaves contain most of the effects of your mate. Most of the health benefit come from the leaf, not from the tangkai,
Tangkai.
not from the powder. It comes from the leaves. So if you want to get a super extra caffeine shot in the morning, you can make it with this, and it actually feels like so. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna try and make this process faster. Again, public.
Suka mainita nggak? Suka yang
Okay, don't put the
kuning
mobilya
itu.
inside. Don't
enak.
have to
Enak
follow my
ini sih
instructions.
harusnya cobain ini tadi karena dari tadi udah nyobain tarawih kan. Harusnya tadi cobain itu. Jadi
Yang tadi taragi semua ya? Oh iya.
pindahin aja.
Iya. Sini boleh kali ya?
Pindahin aja kosong. Pindahin ke gelas aja. Terus kosong.
Ntar ini mana?
Buang aja langsung jendera gitu.
Sayang banget. Ah. Boleh.
You want to share strong?
Iwan, can I try?
Let me see.
Iwan.
We don't have to get straw. We have to share. Yeah.
Oh, nggak ada.
Kita actually bisa ya.
Ininya nggak bisa.
Yeah, this is really like it's real. How it tastes like. It's actually very, when I bring mate, when I go with mate in the car, the whole car smells like so like refreshing, like leaves. It's so nice. What we're gonna do now is look at this. Okay, this is my mate. I'm gonna cover it with my hand and wanna shake it like this. And look, when I'm done shaking, I'm gonna keep it at 45 degrees, and that's the position that we would keep it. Right? So they will be powder, but that is 1/10 your clothes. Okay? That's cool. That's like many people who show that is like, oh, I'm making mate. That's like people make Insta stories like, oh, I'm making my mate. People shake it, and they see like, oh, the powder in my hand. This is kind of the symbol of mate lovers. You know? So there's a hand with a circle in the middle. So you do this and keep it like this. Why? Because the next step, like go regular water, a little bit like this. Do you see? And after that, you have to follow the step. Okay? And the next step, I'll follow the straw. And when I keep it, try to keep it diagonal. I'll try. I'll do my best. You can put a straw, you can put a tissue, or you can just keep it in your hand.
Ini aja kayak gini.
Trust me that there's an explanation for this, okay? There's no... Ivan, yeah.
Sorry.
There's an explanation for this,
Ini
but I
masukin ke
will
dalam
give it to you
so,
after.
jadi gini deh posisinya.
Iya,
So you shake
Lurus,
it,
jarinya lurus.
okay?
Masukin ke dalam
And then
sini.
you add
Oh, gini.
regular water,
Tutup
a
pakai
little
jempol.
bit.
Nah,
You shake it? Yes.
Wow. Kayak suka gitu ya. Kayak warna. Bau silikonnya.
Sini bisa.
Iya
Keep
sih.
it meeting, yeah. Don't lose it.
Harum yang ini. Kalau pakai ini, kali kan campur sama wanginya silikon.
iya.
Ini lebih alami. Oke, jelas wanginya. Ini benar bikin kurus ya.
Kenapa?
Diet itu bisa bikin kurus.
Enggak
Don't.
ngalamin sih.
If you keep it not meeting, it won't work later. So keep it meeting, yeah. Don't introduce a straw yet. Don't add anything. Just keep it.
Taruh di bawahnya itu nih. Nih.
Okay. So keep it.
Biar apa?
Nanti dikasih tahu.
And then you keep it like yeah, this one, if you keep it like this, it's easy. Yeah. Thank you. Can I have it?
Ya.
Meaning, and the water on the bottom. Okay. Oh. Hati-hati.
Yes.
Okay.
Ganjel gini.
Jangan sampai penuh berarti.
Ya, sedikit aja.
Ayo.
Iya. Itu angkat ini. Taruh di sini. Ini bombianya.
Oh,
Ini bombia kamu.
see. Oh, oh look. How nice.
Dan yang
Campur.
ini nggak bisa, ini nggak tahan.
Okay, now that we have everyone in theory has the cup meaning segini,
Ya.
the next step, can you see the okay, the next step is we added water, warm water or regular water. We added regular water. If you add warm water, still okay, but the reason why we are doing this is by the moment we introduce the bombilla doesn't clog with the bubuk. What's it? Powder.
Powder.
Thank you. Yeah, so the reason why we do this is when we introduce the bombilla, it will not get clogged like nepes, what's the name? Nepes, right? Like clogged with
Tersumbat.
Sumbat.
Sumbat. Yeah, right. So what we're gonna do now next is like we're going to introduce the straw like this. Look, it's meeting right. To one side, we're going to introduce a straw on the bottom of the mountain. There's like a mountain, so we're going to introduce it at the bottom, and we will push like this. Okay, maybe we'll fall a little bit, but don't worry. And this is how we are going to keep our mate for last step. So you will see that when you do this, there's one side without mate and one side with mate. In some cups, it's more difficult than others. Okay, so try again. Okay, I'll do it again so you can see. Oh, my montañita. We call it montañita. My montañita is
Iya. Nah,
like this, right?
pencet
We're
ke
going to
sana
use the
depan.
straw
Gini aja biar gampang.
on the bottom.
Nah, dorong pakai ini. Sama ke sini.
Oh, ke sini.
Up, gitu. Nih. Lihat.
And then you will have something
Udah.
like this.
Dari sini. Nih, nih.
This is before.
Belakang.
Ini tutup.
Udah.
Dan itu tempat belakang straw-nya.
Taruh.
Itu kamu ada
Pede
tempat
taruh
straw.
pede gini.
Oh
nih.
iya.
Nah,
Oh iya.
Kalau dia udah masuk tuh,
terjadinya gini.
itu lah.
Itu.
Gitu.
Oh, gitu lah ya.
Okay, this is a sample. Much more difficult.
Iya.
Yeah, correct. Wow, I think we have a good class today. Yeah, correct. That's good.
Juga yang di depan.
Okay, next step. Okay, next step we can see. Now, for some people, in Argentina, 95% of Argentinians love yerba mate. There's only one debate. Only one debate. Do you like it with sugar or without sugar? It's like coffee. Yeah? So there is a group of people who like it with sugar, some other people who like it without sugar. If you like it with sugar, this is the moment, okay? So you're gonna honey this side, okay? Stirring. Oh my god, that's a crime in Argentina. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is we are going to pour the water on this side. So, for example, if this thermo is created for yerba mate, so it has like this little mouth. So we're gonna pour on this side, and we are not gonna make it full. We're gonna make it maybe 1/3. And after we finish 1/3, look, this part is like there's nothing on the bottom. I don't know if you can see, but there's it's like floating. Okay, then you drink. Yeah, and this is how you should taste the mate. So after you're done, yeah, secondly like, and this is the part that we really enjoy with our friends. Normally, in the family, the first mate is the most bitter one. So normally the anaquecheo, the youngest in the family, we call it cebador. Cebador is the person who have to make the first mate, drinking the bitter part, and then give it to the family. The second mate is already super tasty. Yeah, this is good already. Okay, so I love it. But if you are if you're already done, now what you should not do. Number one, do not stir. Don't do this. Why? Because if you do that, all the work that we put in keeping that little mountain as a mountain, all the leaves will touch the water and the mate will last 2 or 3 times. Like every time we pour water, we call it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. If you mix all, the taste will keluar semua. Then after like 5 menit nggak ada rasa sama sekali. So we want to keep the mate as long as we can. So we try to keep it 1 day. So my friends ask me, Ivan, can I drink your mate? Sure. And the first thing they do is like this. Wow, ini bagus sekali. Oh my god. All the work I put in creating that mountain gone. So what we will do now is treat it with careful. This is your beverage for the whole day, and you will keep it like this, and then you drink. We pour, we drink. We don't do this. Number 2, we don't move the straw. Number 2, after you pour, my friends are like, oh Ivan, by the way, yes. I was like, no, you should drink now. Like, no, I'll drink later. Drink now. So if you leave the water there, that process, the taste is releasing the taste, the flavor. So once you pour, you should langsung drink.
It's not that hot.
And you drink until habis. It's not too hot because we already have the water 17. It's very tasty. So this one you will see. You pour, you drink. Normally there's that sound at the end like shh. Ini habis, isi lagi. Until tomorrow. Then cannot drink. Cannot sleep at night. Okay, so be careful tonight if you cannot sleep. It's because of the workshop. Upload the story that said, Ivan, I cannot sleep tonight because of you. Like, your rights. Okay, please go ahead. I'll be checking whether you do it correctly.
Udah 3 hari 4 hari.
You pour water on the bottom of the mountain, okay? The bottom. You pour water on the bottom.
Bottom. Like a mountain. Harus diberiin juga berarti.
Kayak gini aja. Bentar. Kayak gitu.
Ivan, I can speak to this. 7, say Ivan, the traditional one is too strong for me.
Buangnya di sini.
You know, now, the key of the mate is to try again. You know, next time you try again.
Sampai penuh ya?
Nggak usah.
The thing is that when you, while you open
Dah minum.
mate the traditional way, this is the one that's very strong. So really, you don't feel like hungry, you don't feel like the appetite gone completely. But it depends how tolerant you are to the bitterness of the mate. If you're not tolerant to bitterness, maybe you have headache.
Segini
So
udah?
it depends. In Indonesia, it's very challenging because
Iya, coba minum sekarang.
people like Lebanese.
Delicious.
Yeah. Now, if you like it with sugar, this is what I do. Like, I can drink it with sugar. I don't mind. So you open one. You just add sugar. But I don't like to add all in the bottom. Try to sebar di atas, di bawah.
Ini yang 75 Celsius.
Ini kayak nggak nyampe 75. Ini kan
Then I pour water
yang
again.
570.
Try with gula.
Aku biasa pakai hot water di awal, jadi lebih strong. Kalau ini
Ada nanti-nantinya nggak sih? Nanti-nantinya nggak ada.
Nah sekarang cobain yang kedua.
Udah deh, itu dulu.
Sudah.
Berapa satu ini.
Seharian.
Oh my god.
Bapak siapin jam 8 pagi, jam 5 sore, jam 6 sore baru jadi nasi air putih, baru jam segini.
Udah nggak berasa lagi apa ya. Amazing. Ini masuk ranting kan ya, ranting banyaknya. Batangnya.
Kalau ada yang pas tadi di
Tangkai bukan? Tangkai.
If you don't follow properly, then bubuk masuk. Mana bolotes ya? Kan?
3 cups already. I like it.
Aku lebih suka itu by the way.
Kok makin lama makin pahit ya? Makin lama makin pahit.
enggak, taste-nya makin keluar kalau
Itu makin pahit berarti.
enggak juga.
Makin kuat ya.
Taste-nya beda deh.
Iya sih.
Susah jelasin.
Makin berasa sampai basah berarti.
Iya, itu kalau udah akhir terakhir pasti ininya juga udah basah.
Oh, iya.
Oke, thank you ya. Oh, yes, stay aja. You're thirsty, you're dying. Stay aja. Okay, one more thing, I like the traditional one. Which one is the most popular? Yeah. You can see the video here. There are many people in Asia who go one step further and don't follow the traditional one. They are like, I want to create my own recipe. So that is orange leaves with hot water, and it's so good. Yeah. Every person has a different way of enjoying mate. My friends also add cinnamon, kayu manis. And then oh my god, kayu manis with a little bit of sugar and mate. That's a cake, you know. But yeah, the traditional, I think if you keep trying, you will find the way that you like it the best. Okay, every person is different. You don't have to follow the Argentine. Okay, so the idea of this version is that to present a product that brings us together in one room. It's a symbol of friendship, and of course, it's a super beneficial drink. Okay, I want to finish with a quick set of questions. Whoever answers the question correctly will win a prize. Okay, are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, you gotta be fast. Okay, what we're gonna do now is let me think. Okay, let's try to see if you can name this. Question number one. Name 7 famous people that drink yerba mate. Here. So I saw you first. Yeah. You can stand up. Okay. If you get it wrong, you can raise your hand again. Okay. Okay. Without mistakes. Okay. Without looking. There are Obama.
The Pope, Messi, and then Gonzalez,
Gonzalez.
and Simon. That's a lot.
5, 4, 3,
Messi.
2, 1. Here. Okay, stand up, please. Okay, again. Let's see.
One is Lionel Messi, of course.
Messi,
Leandro Paredes,
Paredes,
McAllister,
McAllister,
Emiliano Martinez,
Martinez.
Lisandro Martinez,
Okay, Lisandro
Tinggal sebut
Federico
semuanya.
Valverde,
Tinggal
Federico
sebut semua
Valverde,
satu
yes,
tim.
and then of course Barack Obama.
Oh, Barack Obama.
Wow.
Menyuruh satu tim bola.
Tim bola.
Sorry, it's wet. So it's our tester of tea bag, 10 units. So here for you. Okay, number 2. Okay, so I will give yerba mate 250 grams to the first person that takes a selfie with Messi.
First person enggak?
Gue bingung ya. Jauh. Iya, bingung.
Okay, with the photo, can I see your photo? I disqualified because of the photo. Okay, so we don't have more prizes for this, but what I want to push you, like if you recorded a good Insta story, if you make good content, please upload it to Yerba Mate ID. We can jump to the last slide. Okay, so our Instagram is Yerba Mate ID. We always like to, if you upload a good Insta story, the process, anything that you like, we like to give prizes to our friends. Sometimes I see a good Insta story or like Yerba Mate for that person, you know, and like very excited to see my Indonesian friends creating stories, creating content. And I think Yerba Mate culture is about sharing. I feel like very connected with people in Bali, in Russia. I think you got a mate from your friend from Belgium, right? Yeah. So this is like very international culture. No matter where you go, when you drink mate, it's the same. You know, we like to share the brands. We meet up with friends. Yerba mate is not a drink. It's more than a drink. It's a whole culture around it. Okay, so please go to Yerba Mate ID if you want to see recipes. We have the Tukopedia, Shopee, TikTok to create stories. And what I like the most with Victor is when we see our Indonesian friends creating content or showing me, Ivan, look, we found a new way that I like. I love that, you know, because I feel like this is a product that connects us with our roots. And Indonesians kind of like, they get it. You're like, wow, he really got it, and it's fun. Okay, we really like to share this story. So that's it. Muchas gracias and terima kasih everyone for maybe we can take a photo all together before we go. So you can come up here to the front. We're gonna go to the table.
Yes.
Okay, you can. The first row can. I don't know. Because we don't. When you go to the gym.
De rodillas. Mío.
Okay, we said 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, Messi. Wait, you count and we say Messi. Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Messi.
Okay.
Yeah, one more, just in case. Yeah. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Yerba Mate. The second one. Okay. Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Yerba